Hi guys, so my name is Amir the King. You can like and subscribe to my YouTube video. I humbly apologize if my video is not so clear. I'm using the front camera, but I will switch it over shortly. So I've been going through YouTube videos over and over and over and without wasting any more of your precious time and your data. Like me, people in this world cannot explain simple things like a scooter carburetor. Why won't my scooter start? Simple things, they just can't explain it. You waste your time watching and watching, blah blah. Anyway, let me switch it over. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the basics. I bought the scooter here. It's a John Way. It looks a bit rough right now. There we go, John Way. It's a 125cc, I believe. However, the motor looks rather big, so I think it's a 150. So the thing is with this bike, here's the air filter. I already took it out, right? Alright, so the bike has been standing for a few years. I have tried to tweak it a bit, but unfortunately I'm not winning. So if your scooter does this, that's wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip the carburetor out. The number one thing to do is obviously remove your air filter that sits there. Alright, then you come over to here. You'll see that there's a bolt here, or some got bolts, some got screws, usually a flat or a star, and you remove that, of course, and your acceleration cable comes out. So while we are on the video, I will just try to do that. It's quite simple actually. There we go, that's out. Then you gotta obviously unscrew here. I'm wearing white, it's not a very good idea. Anyway, so this scooter has been standing for the past 3 years from the guy which I bought it from, unfortunately. And as you can see, electric choke is cut out, but that's not an issue. Bikes need to start without that, I believe. Then you've got your vacuum pipe coming from your fuel. There's your from the fuel tank. The fuel comes into this. From here it runs down, runs into here, into a 3-piece. There's the 3-piece. The pipe goes into there, into your exhaust manifold. See there clearly, there's going into there. And then you've got the part, the T part. Here's the T, here's the chair. So this is going into your vacuum here. So you just gotta move that out. Remember, the short one goes to the top there. Alright, then next up you've got your fuel line that will be underneath here. You just gotta pull that out, and yes, we can see that the fuel was running through. Alright, that's cool. I'm just gonna leave this here so the fuel doesn't secure. Okay, right. Then obviously once you've loosened all what I've told you to do, all you gotta do is remove the carburetor. So you just gotta, it should be quite easy actually. Now the sun has been standing, so I'm not too sure. I'm just gonna pause the video. Just try to remove your carb. Okay, so I've managed to remove it. Be careful, if you don't have gloves on, then this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna hit your hand onto the bar and you might cut yourself, so be safety first. I don't believe in that, but for those watching the video, safety first. So this is the carburetor. I'm not too sure if you all are familiar with this. This is the carburetor, plain, simple, easy to work with. Yeah, look how it looks, terrible. So this is the carburetor. Removing the carburetor of a 125cc John Way or most bikes. Okay, so this video applies to most people. Mind my number plate, it's a bit damaged. Anyway, there we go. Video number 1. Like and subscribe. We will go through the process of how to fix this. Thank you.